In this video, we're going to go over how to use Excel's average and max function to determine what is the average amount of a data set, and also if you want to figure out what is the max value. So let's say we have a data set here of last year's sale and we want to find the average. Basically what I want to do is, first off, I want to label the cells between average and max. So to find out the average, what you want to do is just select equals. You're going to type the word average, and Excel is going to give you a predetermined list of functions that you can use. You simply just want to select average, and it will open up the parentheses for you. And basically, you just want to click and drag and select the cells that you want to calculate. Once you have that, you can go ahead and just click enter, and Excel will give you the average amount for last year's cell for that period. Now, if you want to use the max function, basically the max function will select the highest value or the highest cells of last year. It's the same process. So you want to go ahead and click equals. You're going to type in max and double click that, and then basically you just want to click and drag again, and Excel will give you the max value. And then you can also do the same to find the minimum value. So the minimum value is again the same function. So you're going to go ahead and click equals. You're going to type in minimum and double click and click and drag, and that should give you the minimum amount of cells of last year. So that gives you the average, the maximum value, and the minimum value. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment or question down below in the comment section. And thanks for watching.